Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Avi, and on today's video I'll be crocheting this beautiful shirt. I use the simple pattern. It's easier and I would say also beginner friendly, so please sit back, enjoy, and let's make it together. And also remember to like and subscribe if you haven't. So to start, I'll be using this acrylic yarn. It's in orange color, my 3.5 mm hook. You also need a pair of scissors and my tape measure. Now I'll start by making a chain, and I'll make a length of 29 inches. So chain, and this length is a length from the shoulders to down to the thigh area. Yeah, so chain a length of 29 inches. I have my chain ready and it's 29 inches. Yeah, 29 inches. The next step, I'll be placing double crochets all through from this to this end. So go on with double crochet. Remember, this is the length from the shoulders to the thigh area. So place double crochets all through. I have my double crochets. Now at the end here I will place a double crochet, then chain one, turn my work and place double crochets. But I've done 4 rows of double crochet, so the next thing will be the mesh pattern. Then I will chain one and then go on the next stitch here with the double crochet, then chain one, a double crochet on the next stitch, and then chain two, skip one stitch on the next stitch here, place a double crochet, chain one, place another double crochet on the next stitch. It's basically the pattern we did. At the end of the row here I will place a double crochet and then turn my work and continue with the double crochets. Chain one, turn my work, continue with double crochet, and that will be the pattern for this shirt. It will be 4 rows of double crochets, and then this pattern, and then 4 rows again of double crochet. So continue with your double crochets all through, and I'll be doing 4 rows of double crochet. And that will be it for the back panel. Done with the 4 rows of double crochet, then will be the next thing I'll be doing is this pattern. So I will place a double crochet on this stitch and then chain one, go on with the double crochet, so chain one, place a double crochet right there, and then chain two, skip one on the next here, place a double crochet, chain one on the next double crochet. So that will be the pattern: 4 rows of double crochet, then this pattern, 4 rows, and then the pattern till the end of the back panel. My back panel is ready, and I did a length of 22, a length of 22 inches. Sorry about that. I did a length of 22 inches. So the next thing, I'll be working on the front panels, and it's the same process we did. I'll start by crocheting a length of this length from the shoulders to the thigh area, a length of 29 inches. So I'll make a chain of 29 inches and then proceed with the 4 rows of double crochet and 1 row of the mesh pattern. Remember, this is the size, it's a medium size shirt. For a larger size, you can increase the width, the width of the shirt, not the width. So it's a medium size, that's why I did a 22 inches width. For larger size, you can go ahead and increase. We did on the back panel, so I'll repeat the same process. As you can see, it's 4 rows of double crochet, the pattern, the mesh pattern, and then 4 rows of double crochet, and so on and so on. So go on with the mesh pattern all through till the end of the row. Then that will be it for one of the front panel. Then I'll do the other front panel. I did 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5, and then here we'll be making decreases for the collar part. So I counted 20 from here, 20 stitches. So from there I won't be continuing, I'll just chain 1 here and then turn my work, and then yarn over, skip this, and work on the other stitch. So that marks as our decrease. And I'll be making this is 1 2 3 no sorry 2 more rows of decreasing. So as you can see, it's kind of like curved here. We need some space for the neck area, so go on with your double crochets all through till end, and then back, and then we'll make another decrease. Now at the end of the row here, after we decreased our first row of decrease, I'll be leaving some space like the buttonholes, and for the buttonholes I'll be placing, I think 5. For the buttonholes I will crochet I will chain 2, so 1 2, and then yarn over, 3, and then yarn over on the 3rd stitch here. I'll place a double crochet, that's for the buttonhole, and then continue placing double crochets. I'll need like 5 buttonholes, so continue crochet, and then after crocheting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, you can put as many buttons as you want. For me, I think I'll go for 5 or 4. So I'll crochet 1 2, I'll chain 3, and then yarn over, skip 2. On the 3rd here I'll place a double crochet. So that's 2 buttonholes. Then I'll go on with my other buttonholes until here. I have 5 buttonholes. The next thing I've chain one, so I will turn my work and then skip one and place a double crochet on the next. That marks as our decrease, and will not be decreasing anymore from now onwards. So I'll place double crochets all through till the end of the row, and that will be it for the one side of the front panel. Yeah, and remember the other panel, I won't be crocheting buttonholes, so I'll do it off camera. So I'll go on with 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows with no buttonholes. I'm done with my front panel, so I will take my back panel and join them together. I will arrange my work like this and join it at the sides here, but I'll leave some space for the arm area, and also join it on top here. I'll join the 2 panels on top here and also on this other side, and leave some space for the arm area, and I will just join using single crochets. So after joining, I left some space for the armhole. I did join with single crochets, and also I left a space here at this end. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'll be making these arms. I'll be making the arm sleeves, so I will chain a length of 9 inches. So go ahead and chain a length of 9 inches. Then I'll go on with double crochets all through till the end of the row. So place double crochets all through till the end of the row, and I'll be doing 4 rows of double crochets. I have my 4 rows, so I'll chain one and then skip this one. On this one here, I'll place a double crochet, chain one. On the next stitch, place a double crochet, then chain 2, skip 1, double crochet, basically what we did on the other panels, and then place another double crochet. We need this mesh pattern, so go on till the end and then go back with your 4 rows of double crochet. Now this is what I have, and I did a length of 19 inches, which is equivalent to the length of the armhole. This armhole here, from this end to this end, it's 19 inches. So I will fold my work like this and join it together with half double crochets. So join this together with, not half double crochet, with the single crochets. And then we'll be done with the arm area. So place single crochets all through. I'm done joining, so I will turn the arm sleeve like this. I will turn it and then take my work like this here at the armhole. I'll take this end here and this other end here and join it all through with single crochets. So go on with yours and Once you're done, I'll be working on the collar. So join the two with single crochets all through, like work from the inside, so as you can have a clean side on the other side. So continue all through, and this one here we join with this one on the inside. Yeah, that's it for the arm area. Now the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be crocheting the collars, and for the collars I will insert my hook here on this other side. I'll insert my hook here and then go on with the double crochets from this end to this other end here. So insert my hook and place double crochets. Now on this other end I'll go back with another row of double crochet, and I'll be doing basically exactly what we'll be doing on this four rows of double crochet, and then this mesh pattern right here. So I will go back with my double crochets all through till the end, and I'll do 4 rows of double crochet and then the mesh pattern. I'm done with the collars. Now the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be sewing in the buttons, and yeah, that will be it for the tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment, and yeah, like the video. So go on, sew in your buttons. For me, I'll have 6 buttons.